I can show you my office.
How you doing, everyone? Welcome. You guys are being weird.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's JD and welcome back to a new video. So you're probably looking at my camera right now and you're thinking, hey JD, that's a pretty nice camera. It's different from what I'm used to. The frame rates are a little slower, but crispy, pretty decent quality. And you know what I'm using for my camera right now? My iPhone. My webcam right now is my iPhone, all thanks to the people at Elgato, because they recently purchased a company or an app software called Epoch Cam. So I've seen other content creators make videos about this and I didn't really know what it was, but recently on one of my previous videos, I was trying to get an over-the-top shot of me unboxing some stuff and I didn't have a second camera, and then I looked into this and I realized, oh, I could use my phone as a secondary camera, which is very clutch. And from what I'm looking at my computer, the quality is really nice. Like, this is just what's coming through your phone. But the kicker of this software is the fact that you can do this wirelessly. Now you can plug in via USB to your computer so you get a lossless signal. But right now, I'm sending this strictly over Wi-Fi and I'm not seeing a lot of lag at all. Like none, like, oh, yeah. And if you are a content creator or a live streamer and you're just starting out and you don't have the money for a webcam or a DSLR camera to plug into an Elgato Cam Link and then get you like a really high quality image, this is perfect. Listen, this quality that I'm showing y'all right now is better than what I had when I first started on YouTube. It is honestly, it's clean. Like, I don't know, I'm very excited and surprised about this because this is all happening over Wi-Fi. If you want, you can download this software on your Apple device or your Android device. If you only get the basic version, you're only allowed to output the resolution at 640 by 480, which is not the best, but honestly, if you're someone who's just gonna like crop around your face and make it tiny for a gameplay video, you can do that. But if you want to go for the full resolution and have the best quality from this app, it's only $7. I'm not gonna sit back and act like not a lot of people have $7, but if you got $7 to spend on your content that could hopefully make you more money in the future, I recommend it. And with $7, you get stunning video quality, you get vibrant HD color, manual focus, your microphone works, you can use your wide angle camera all the way to your telephoto camera. So like, hold on, I gotta click it to do it. All right, so right now I'm on the 2x zoom of my phone camera, which, I mean, if I'm just trying to if I'm trying to just hop into a game real quick, and we're in it, we're hanging out, we're making content, we're creating it for the viewers, maybe your community and whatnot. You can literally sit there and, in my opinion, this is a clean little web. I'm comparing it to what I remember having, y'all. And based off of what I had when I was younger, this is clutch. Like, I can literally just sit here and start making videos in a moment's notice, like no webcam needed. Mind you, the webcam is one of the hardest things to come across when you're making videos when you first start. So I very much recommend this. This is legit to me. Oh, okay, looking clean. Okay, hey, bruh, this is a whole video. I'm literally making content as I'm making content about making content. Okay, that's clean. And now look at me. I got the ultra wide angle, the 0.5x wide angle camera where this is all wireless. I'm very impressed with what I'm doing right now. Like, I literally can show you my office. This is fire, bro. What? Like, you can make content in a moment's notice. Look, if I was lucky enough to start making videos in 2020, because I started in 2010 and I had this technology, I'd be on it. So I recommend all of you definitely get this Epoch Cam thing and use it to your heart's content. They also have an option for green screening. How about I show you that next? All right, so I won't lie to you. The green screening isn't the best feature on this thing. It looks very, very funky, and it tries to like do a paper cutout of you around, and it's on the front facing camera. It doesn't look the best. I don't recommend the green screen, but hey, at least there's an option. And of course, this is the original angle that we had from the beginning. So there you go. Also, you can choose your connection. You can use a NDI connection. You can use wireless, or you can use USB. And there's a flashlight on it. You all know what the flashlight looks like on your phone. I don't need to turn that on. And last but not least, when you get the pro version of this software, it gives you the watermark removal, which I think everybody would want to use. Like, I mean, I thought it was like a recurring payment, but it's only a one-time $7 payment. That's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Even if you have to do maybe business calls, or let's say you're, I don't know, doing a Zoom meeting, school, it's not half bad. For the price of $7.99. Okay, $8. All right, $8. You get up to 1080, 1920 by 1080 wireless connection, USB connection, the NDI network connection. Choose your connection mode. Use your phone as a microphone. I didn't know that. Pinch to zoom. Pinch to zoom. I didn't know I had that. Hold on. Wait, what? Hold on. I can pinch? Wait, hold on. Pinching? Oh. Okay, I didn't know I could do that. I didn't know I could do pinch to zoom. Dual camera zoom, manual focus. Manual focus? I'm not sure how to do all these things, but they're on here. You can use the phone light, HDR, adjust video quality. Okay, all right. And yeah, and all you're required to use is Windows or Mac, and you have to download their drivers off of their website, which is very simple. But personally, if I had this when I first started making videos, this would make me so excited. Even though back then my phone wasn't capable of doing these cool things. But for now, you guys got to get out there. You guys, your girls, everybody, you got to get out there and start making content. It's too easy nowadays. I can't feel bad for people who are sitting there not knowing what to do. But maybe I'll make more videos and give you advice on things like that in the future. So for a quick comparison, everyone, here is the iPhone camera versus my Logitech C922 webcam that I've had for years. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm looking at it on my computer. It looks a lot better on my iPhone. The colors are better. The sharpness is better. I actually had to sharpen the image on the Logitech just to get it to look like this. But the Logitech is washed and just a little muddy and not as clear, and there's a lot more grain. I definitely think if you're going to try to use this Epoch Cam, you might as well try it. Now, you might have issues with wirelessness. I will give you that, but like I said, you can always plug in your iPhone and work with it immediately. On the other hand, nothing wrong with using a webcam. Webcams work, and if you can get it to work for you, then that's all that matters. I was using one of these, I think it was a C920 or C9, there's three of them, C920, C922, C930E. I have all of them, but I filmed many videos with them before I ever got into getting into the fancy cameras. But for new content creators, looking at what I'm looking at on my computer, I would go with the iPhone camera and just have it plugged in and let it charge the whole time. Maybe put your phone on airplane mode or silent mode, whatever the modes are, where nobody can bother you. Do not disturb. And go with that, because the image comparison is ridiculous. I mean, you can see the yellow on my Cyberpunk t-shirt, and on the other one, it's like I don't even know. It just looks like a washed out banana. I don't know what to call it. So that is my quick comparison of these two. Now let's continue with the video. All right, y'all. So the last thing that I wanted to compare this software to was how it looks compared to a DSLR. So I've got my DSLR running right now, and as you can see, my DSLR obviously can push 60 frames per second. The quality is a lot better and it's a lot crispier, but if I'm looking at it, like I'm looking at it right now side by side, I wouldn't be tripping if I was just starting out. Like, I get a lot of you who ask me questions during live streams. Hey JD, what do you use and how do you get your quality to look this way and what should I start with? If you want to start, I recommend this right now. Get the Epoch Cam software. I'm not getting sponsored by Elgato for this at all, but get the Epoch Cam software and use it, because honestly, cameras like this, I have the what is this? This is the Logitech C920. Shout out to Logitech. I like their equipment. I got their embodied chair, which is really nice, by them and Herman Miller. But something like this, right? Usually I think it's supposed to be only $50, but they run them up sometimes to like $120. So if you already made the investment of purchasing an iPhone from I think all the way back to the 6S will work on this thing. Hey man, just crop that image right around your face and get to making some content. In my opinion, I think that's the best case scenario. Hey everyone, so I thought before I go, it would be best to show you how to set up the software in OBS, and that way you can start streaming and using your phone as your webcam as soon as possible. All right, y'all, so first things first, we're gonna start here in our scenes and then our sources. We're gonna right click, you're gonna go to add yourself a scene. Let's just call it face. I already have a face cam thing, but I'm just gonna make this from scratch so you understand. We're gonna go into sources, you can hit the plus button or right click, add video capture device. And let's just, let's do a new one and just call it video capture device. All right, we go to OK. And then in our device section right here, you're gonna click down and you'll have all of your video inputs. So the Epoch Cam is right here. We right click that. Oh, and look at that handsome devil. There he is. All right, but you wanna make sure that your resolution makes sense. So you have to go down to the resolution FPS type, go to custom, you go to resolution, you click 1920 1080, it automatically pops up, and there we are. And next thing you know, it's already matching the output and the frame rate, and you're in there, baby. Yeah. All right, so that's how you use it. And like I said, this is wirelessly tethering from my phone to my internet and back. It's really cool because at the end of the day, if I wanted to, I could just take this thing and look at that. Uh-oh. I don't know how good the Wi-Fi is or how long it'll last, but so far, pretty clean. Let's go to the wide angle, shall we? Okay. I could show you my whole office. What? This is crazy to me. Like, you can have a wireless camera. Oh, you seen the desk though? Video coming soon. You can have a wireless camera that just shows off your whole space. Let me see how far I can go before it starts to lag. I feel like it's gonna lag soon. No? It ain't lagging, baby. It ain't lagging. Yo, this is clean. This is ridiculous. I could have like an angle back here. I don't even know if y'all can hear me from here. I gotta get back. Yo, for wireless tethering, that is impressive, everybody. That's really cool. All right, well, there it is. Okay, everybody, so that has been the Epoch Cam software. Thanks to Elgato Gaming for, I guess, purchasing and making it better. I don't know, but I like Elgato's ecosystem. They are working really hard to make it easier for content creators to create content. So hey, shout out to them and shout out to y'all for watching this video. Hopefully you hit the like button and you enjoyed the content, and you'll check out those descriptions down there below. And with that, I appreciate you, and I will see you on the next one. Be sure to click those videos over there on the left if you want to see some more. We got next gen content coming out soon. Live streams are happening. All right, with that being said, I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.